Do you spend more time hunting for tools than actually using them? Same here. I'm Sean, and this year I've made it my mission to finally get my workshop under control. I'm designing custom storage for my French Cleat wall and sharing every design along the way. Here's a quick tour of what I've built so far. If you want the full design breakdown, check out the individual videos on my channel. First up, something simple but surprisingly handy. A gravity bar to keep my workshop notes right where I need them. No screws needed, and it uses a regular AA battery to grip the notes. Now my bench stays clear and my scribbles stay put. Let me know if you want the file to print your own. Gloves always buried in the back of a drawer. Yeah, me too. So I printed a fix that keeps them front and centre. So I set out to design a modular storage system that could mount on the wall, making the gloves easy to reach and not buried in a drawer. I wanted something simple, expandable and quick to use. Just grab a pair when I need them. This is what I came up with. A 3D printed holder that fits a full box of gloves and mounts to my French Cleat wall. I designed it so I can stack them vertically or line them up side by side to save space. Now it's easy to see when I'm running low, and I don't have to dig through drawers anymore. Let me know if you want the file to print your own. Too many screwdrivers? That's not a problem. It's a storage opportunity. Here's what I came up with to wrangle them all. I wanted a modular solution that keeps all my drivers right at hand. So I designed a fix, a fully 3D printed holder, no assembly needed. It holds 9 screwdrivers and mounts straight onto my French Cleat wall. Let me know if you want the file to print your own. Big awkward pin snips. I designed an expandable slot system that actually works and doesn't eat up half the wall. Sometimes you just need a hook for everything else lying around. This was the answer. My palm router's a workshop favourite, but its accessories. Always lost. So I built it a proper home to keep them all together. Tired of hunting for staples in the stapler? Yeah, so I put them together in one tidy little solution. This started with a simple question. Why is my hand sander never where I left it? It was a small frustration, but it got me thinking. Maybe it's time for a proper storage solution. I wanted something compact, easy to access, and mounted on my French Cleat wall. So I tried out a few layouts. Vertical didn't quite work. Horizontal took up too much space. Eventually, I landed on this shelf-style design. It holds the sander securely, with room underneath for sanding sheets, and even a spot for the filter bag. Here's a sped up look at the modelling. Feel free to pause and take a closer look. Let me know if you'd have done it differently. Assembly was simple, I just glued the pieces together for now. though I'm thinking about designing a snap fit version next. Think that's worth doing? Let me know. I also added small recesses for labels, so I can finally keep track of what grits what. Now it's up on the wall, easy to grab and always ready to go. And if there's a better way to design it, I'd love to hear your take. Want to print one yourself? Drop a comment and I'll share the files. And finally, my hex keys. Once a chaotic mess, now lined up and easy to grab thanks to this neat rack. If you want to keep up with the latest builds and grab the files to print your own, hit subscribe. Plenty more tool storage ideas coming your way.